Next thing you want to do is look for what platform you're going to go to. Platform 1 or platform 2. And sometimes there's 8. Keep in mind what the terminal station is. A lot of the metros are named by the terminal station. For instance, this one's MacArthur. It's the last station the train hits. Then you can look at the video screens and they give you a list of where the metro is headed.
Edmondson Park and Pennington.
Tap on or tap off. And this is the way you tap off. Take your card. To get out of one of these, you just scan your card. When the train comes in, pay attention to the LCD readout on its front and its back usually, sometimes on its side. It tells you where it's going.